Welcome to eConestoga. eConestoga is the online system where your instructors share course content, assessments, and grades. It makes learning easier and is optimized for all devices. Let's take a look at some of its main features. On the homepage, you'll see recent announcements as well as information on how to contact eConestoga support if you need help. At the top of the screen, you'll find a set of icons. This bar is always visible and contains several useful features. The 9 square icon opens the list of your courses, allowing you to quickly switch between them. The bell icon next to your name is the alert system. You can enable additional alerts by clicking on your name on the top right corner and selecting Notifications. First, enter the email address where you would like to receive the notifications. Then, select which events you want to be notified about, such as new announcements, assignment due dates, and when new grades are released. Near the bottom of the main eConestoga homepage, you'll see a list of your courses. Inside each of your courses, your instructor will add materials for you to access. After registering, it may take up to 24 hours for your course to show up on your current course list. Courses will become visible to students a few days before classes start. Click on a course tile to see what your instructor has posted for you. The course homepage provides access to relevant information and tools you need the most. The Home tab gives you quick access to your course outline, required textbook, instructional plan, and dates when assessments are due. Under the link strip, you will find announcements posted by your instructor. If your class is online, you can find the date and time of your online meeting on the right side of the homepage. A button to join the meeting will appear shortly before the meeting begins. On the left side of the course homepage, you'll find tabs with additional information about your course, such as your progress and the weekly schedule highlights. In the Help tab, you can use the search bar at the top to look for helpful guides. Underneath, you'll find your instructor's name and contact information, as well as links to services and supports available to all students. At the top of the course homepage, you'll find a navigation bar with links to different areas of the course. The Content area contains documents and learning materials. The table of contents on the left side lists the content your instructor has posted. The Course Information folder contains information about the course, your instructor, and the instructional plan. The Evaluations folder contains information and links for all course assessments. Each week of the course has its own folder with corresponding documents and links. Another useful link under the Course Tools menu is the Classlist, which lists the name of your instructor and the other students in your class. You can use the class list to send emails through the Office 365 mail system. Clicking a name in the class list opens an email window that sends a message from your Conestoga email address. If you need more assistance with eConestoga, you can chat live with a support representative by using the Chat with Support button in the bottom right corner. Best of luck with your courses, Condors!